On occasion of the 75th Republic Day, Superintendent of Police City Vivek Singh and two other police personnel from Meghalaya were conferred with the Medal for Meritorious Service. The other police personnel who received the medal include John M. Sangma, Arm Branch Inspector, and Tabor Sumer Havildar. Inspector Anyoska Basayumite, posted as Senior Instructor at Central Training Institute of Civil Defence and Home Guards, Meghalaya, was also awarded the Medal for Meritorious Service. As many as 1,132 personnel of police, fire service, home guard and civil defence and correction service awarded gallantry service medals on the occasion of the Republic Day 2024.
It motivates me and my team, because I owe this to my team, and it motivates us to work harder and to deliver better. And I owe it to the government, actually, who has always been supporting officers who actually want to deliver. So I thank God.
The 75th